So I got this box and I have a cat in the box. That box was around this box. And now I'm going to unbox that box and going to show you what's in this box, because that box has a cat. So just unpacking my box here. In this box there is a box. So let's put this box aside. Then in this box there is shifter. Let's have a closer look. So, oh, this is pretty heavy. So, back here, get the box away. You can hear stuff falling. So, this looks pretty. So, there's a shifter. So let's have a little bit closer look.